Lydia Allen here, the Insurance Connector, ready to answer another one of your insurance questions. In this video, we are going to answer when is the best time to have an insurance review. We're going to discuss that it should be at least once a year, when you have major life changes, and when laws change or when coverage options change here in Colorado. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to have your insurance reviews and to make sure your family is protected. So let's start with at least once a year. Most insurance policies are an annual premium. The date is determined by when the policy went into force. You were sent by the company a renewal for your review before the term date begins. It is common that auto policies renew every 6 months, so those are also based on the start date of the policy. These renewal periods are a best time to review with your agent any updates needed to your policy. The next best time to have an insurance review is after major life events. Did you buy a new car? Did you get married? Or maybe you had a baby? Or maybe you're moving into your first apartment or bought your first home. These are all good times to have a meeting with your agent to go over coverage updates needed to continue protecting your interests and assets. The other best time to have an insurance review is when laws or coverage options change here in Colorado. Keeping up with state laws is a constant background work your agent is doing when they're not working with agents and their policies, or with clients and their policies. It's common practice to discuss new laws with clients during their reviews, but agents are also happy to answer questions throughout the year. For example, do you have sufficient building ordinance coverage on your home? This is when building codes change, requiring new builds to have additional items, such as sprinkler systems, environmentally friendly materials, EV charges, and other up-to-date building codes. This can be costly to retrofit to a home in the event of a covered peril greatly destroys the dwelling. A common amount of coverage is 10% additional for requiring building codes changes, but older homes might need 20 or 25% additional coverage to truly include the additional cost. Another best practice during a review is for your agent to discuss new coverage options. In recent years, farmers' home policies have added utility line and equipment breakdown endorsements, providing extra protection for these specific events that happen. Sometimes additional coverage options are only available to be added to the policies at their renewal date. Even more reason to make the renewal dates a best time to meet with your agent to review the policies. So by now you should know exactly that the best time to review your insurance policies are at least once a year, after a major life event, or when laws or coverage options change in Colorado. So the next best step is to pull out your current policy and see how it lines up with your life today. If it doesn't, take time to review with your agent and be sure we've got it updated. If you want more answers to these common insurance questions, keep watching this channel.